I might be on your ass back and forth all day today, man. That's my first time wheeling a dirt bike. I can't wheel a dirt bike.
Can't wait.
Yeah, wheelie pools all day long. Any pool I get on, can't wheel a dirt bike.
You ain't trying to do so?
I'm not doing that. Hit what 12? I'm not doing that. I'm not trying to. That's why I was just sitting in my head thinking, let me see this joint.
Because I want to say, yeah, I want to say, I'm that's what I'm saying, I don't know.
Any bike, what y'all was saying? I get on any bike. Y'all not me, bro.
I get on any bike.
Any bike, bro. Get out of here, bro. What is he talking about? Any bike. Any bike, you hear me? What is he talking about? Y'all want that? Any bike, dog. Nigga looking at me like he gonna fall. It's like, yeah, man. Yo, chill. Get on the dirt bike. Yeah, I ain't
Willie, my bike, I keep watching the whole time.
Yeah, it's over now. I'm done. Get my bikes up here. I'm doing what I was supposed to do last time.
What?
Yeah, 2 bikes for me and my girl.
You good? Touch him out, B. The brake clean? The brake good? I'm a dirt bike bull.